Hey guys, today we're going to use the principles of universal design to compare two items that can be used for the same purpose, but each item offers a variety of unique options. So first and foremost, what is universal design? Universal design basically means that an item is created with the intention to be available and useful to all people to the greatest extent possible. Today, the item we're going to look at is a phone. Phones have many uses and they come in or with so many different shapes, sizes, features. The general purpose of a phone is to facilitate communication between two or more people without the requirement of being face to face. Today, we're going to compare a smartphone to a house phone. So, principle 1, equitable use. Both phones are designed to facilitate communication. However, the smartphone provides more options for communication. You can talk, text, or video chat on a smartphone, but the house phone only provides one way of communication, which is through talk. Principle number 2, flexibility in use. While I would argue that the smartphone provides more choice in how it can be used, the house phone is better at facilitating accuracy and precision. It has bigger numbers and buttons to press for those who need more visual and tactile feedback. Number 3, simple and intuitive use. Because the use of phones is so common in our current tech-obsessed culture, I'd say that both phones can be easy to use and both can be tweaked to work for a variety of cultural or language abilities. However, because the smartphone has so many other uses, it can be overwhelming to those who do not have any experience with something similar. Whereas the house phone, because it's less complex, it might be easier to use. Principle 4, perceptible information. The smartphone has a larger screen and more vision, hearing, and sensory options for its users through its accessibility features. The house phone has large numbers and differentiated buttons, providing more tactile feedback for its users, and it beeps every time a user presses the buttons. Therefore, both phones provide perceptible information, but in different ways. Number 5, tolerance for error. The smartphone provides more options that include two-step verifications, a larger screen to ensure a person can see what he or she is doing, but because it's a touch screen, it is also very easy to multi-click on items and accidentally activate applications or programs unintentionally. The house phone offers options to go back and cancel, but the letters on each of the buttons are so small it's easy to mistakenly type one letter over another when trying to save a contact in the phone's address book. Principle 6, low physical effort. The smartphone is great for conserving energy because it requires very little force or input for the use, and the same action can be used for multiple screens, keyboards, and programs. However, the house phone may require more fine motor strength because of the distinct and limited amount of button choices. And then finally, number 7, size and space for approach and use. Both phones make it clear that the screens are used for visual content and guide one's gaze to it. And both phones are large enough to provide adequate workspace, but also small enough to fit in hands, pockets, and on the ears of most users. It's safe to say that neither phone is perfect, but each of the phones can be used for a variety of people with a variety of needs. The smartphone comes with a built-in accessibility features that allows it to be tweaked for a large variety of people with or without vision, hearing, and dexterity impairments. The house phone is a great option for people who desire less complex technology, but it provides the same or similar options for communication and access to others who are not within reach. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.